Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Dr. S.P. Yadav, Professor and Head of the Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Congratulate you for successful completing first semester of your studies. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you in the second semester. Once again, let me congratulate you for choosing GNIT for your BTech course. I must mention that you have taken a right decision. Your success is central to our mission at GNIT. I am sure at the end of 4 years, you will pass out with good job in hand in a reputed organization with a very good package. But we require your attention and devotion during this entire 4 years of your studies. Your sincerity, regularity, and hard work in studies will give you a sound knowledge, better job, and great career. Right now, each one of you, please set up your goal in your mind what you want to become after 4 years of your studies. It is said that failing to plan is planning to fail. So you must plan, you must set up a goal. It is also said that if you wake up without goals, it is better to go back to sleep. So you must plan, you must set up a goal, and if you do hard work, the success will be yours. It has been said by Muhammad इकबाल that खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछे कि बता तेरी रजा क्या है. So if you do better, whatever you wish, you will get. It has been said in Sanskrit, there is a sloka in Sanskrit, it tells that Sukharthinah kuto vidya nasti vidyarthinah sukham Sukharthi va tajjet vidyam vidyarthi va tajjet sukham. First I will tell its meaning in Hindi. जिसे सुख की अभिलाषा है, कष्ट उठाना न हो, उसे विद्या कहाँ से, और विद्यार्थी को सुख कहाँ से. सुख की इच्छा रखने वाले को विद्या की आशा छोड़नी चाहिए और विद्यार्थी को सुख की आशा. इट मीन्स इफ यू वांट नॉलेज यू मस्ट डू लेबर. इफ यू आर not doing labor, you will not get knowledge. This is the crust of this Sanskrit sloka. During this 4 years, you may be feeling sometimes stressed, so you have to do some time and stress management. You have to make a do-to list, take some external support, do some regular exercises, you do yoga and meditation, take some stress boost meals, avoid junk food, and praise the nature. Be associated with the nature. You have to also do sometimes time management. You have to create a timetable, you have to create a do-to list and decide the priority which you are going to do. So this is all in general, but to my electronics and communication engineering students, I want to say that during this 4 year of study, you will have a different field of studies and you will get different specialization. So best depending upon your interest of studies, you can choose a particular field for studies also and all job also. There are different fields of studies which gives research, microwave communication, defense, TV broadcasting, VLSI design, nuclear science, biotechnology, mobile communication, robotics, radio communication, telegraphy and telephony, digital signal processing, wireless communication, Internet of Things. If you do some extra study, you can get job in this field which are very emerging. Mainly the IoT is very emerging field and there are a lot of opportunities available in the job market. If you are interested in government jobs, there are a lot of jobs like defense. You can join Army, Navy, Air Force as a technical officer at the end of 4 years. You can join Airport Authority of India. You can join Indian Railway. You can go for Indian Engineering Service by passing a UPSC examination. You can become magistrate, administrator also by passing Indian Civil Services examination. You can go for public sector undertakings, the staff selection commission, and government jobs in teaching, government colleges for teaching jobs. So these are the some of the jobs which are available in government sector. There are some core sector job also for ECE students. This includes ECIL, which is in Hyderabad itself, Microsoft, Intel, Prescale Semiconductors, Bharat Electronics, Samsung, LG, Apple, IBM, etc. Uh, these are the core sector jobs where you will be working on electronics equipments directly. But if you are not interested in core sector, there are some non-core job also for our EC students. Examples are Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Infosys, HCL, finance companies like banks, etc., marketing companies, supply chain management, etc. If you are not interested in job, you can start up your own business. You can start up your own startup. You can become an entrepreneur, but it initially might seem risky, but it is most rewarding. All you have to do is choose the right technology, conceptualize a business plan, then go about working on it. Your options are immense, from VLSI to robotics, nanotechnology to optical communication, embedded system to digital electronics. Even if you are not thinking that you should go for job, or you want to start your own business, you can go for higher studies. Like you can go for MTech in India itself. You can go for MS, which is equivalent to MTech in other countries, Western countries. You can do MBA, and you can do PhD and become a very highly qualified person. So, in nutshell, I want to summarize: the career is a great waiting for you. A great career is waiting for you. All is required is you have to put a hard work during these 4 years, and success will be yours. It is not that only job is in software or IT industry. It is in all sectors for all branch of students. Only thing you have to excel in that particular branch with good knowledge. Then you will get the good job.